Simulation of your participation. So, kailangan every member magpa-participate dito sa tatlong project. SPAV, CSDA, and ORUM 1. For example, ang sinali nyo lang ay 5,000 pesos. You have 1 year or more than a year dahil pwede kayo mag-umpisa ngayon or pwedeng mag-umpisa kayo ng January 2012, kailangan matapos kayo ng 2012, kumuhulugan nyo ang 5,000 pesos. That means 416 pesos every month. Anong gagawin natin dito sa inuhulog nyo na nag-total 5,000 pesos? 25% or 1,250 ilalagay natin sa SPAV. Another 25% or another 1,250 ilalagay natin as time deposit, CSDA, sa own RBCC Bank. 50% of what you participated, ilalagay natin sa ORUM 1. What benefit can you expect? Dito sa SPAV project, in 2 to 3 years, you can expect your 1,250 to grow or to get a interest income of to grow at 1,562 in about 2 to 3 years. The CSDA, you can expect the same amount, 1,562 and 50 centavos, after 5 years. Okay, after 5 years. Dito sa ORUM 1, yung nakukuha yung 4% minimum guaranteed starting on the 3rd year, plus its projected appreciation of 100% lang, you can expect 8,300 from your 2,500. So for these 3 projects, nag-participate kayo halimbawa 5,000, you can expect 11,625. Nagkamili lang po yung decimal point. Go further up to another option, for example, 100,000. The same, 25%, 25%, 50%. You can expect 232,000, both of guaranteed and projected growth, 232,000 from your 100,000 pesos. So, to spice it up, for those who will complete their participation before December 15, they will get an additional 1.5% in their CSDA. Doon lang sa CSDA, an additional 1.5%. For those who will complete it before September 2012, will have an additional 0.5% interest in their CSDA. While those who can complete it before the General Assembly in March 2012 will have an additional 1%. So dito, we are just rewarding yung mga maagap or yung mga nauuna na to complete their participation in the required 3 project.